Take me back to the boy I once was, where dreams were lost and silence grew, to the places where I shut my heart and the warrior in me withdrew. You see the start, the cracks, the flame, and all I couldn't name. Father me now, lead me through the pain, retune my soul like gentle rain. Show me grace where shame has stayed, and lift me from the places I decayed. Speak to my heart with holy sound, O God of mercy, Father me now. Teach me how to rise again, to fight with love and not pretend, to build on truth, not broken ground, to hear your voice in sacred sound. Let undeserved forgiveness be the strength that breathes in me. Father me now with warrior light, shine through my shadowed sleepless nights. Help me stand and not give in where passivity is led, sin win. Call me again to your renown with your strong kindness. Father me now, Father me now. Show me where I lost my heart, where wounds ran deep and tore apart. Reveal what I surrendered blind, the battles I left far behind. But here I am, your humble son, with all I need in who you are. Father me now.